Right, all right. That was weird. Connection just completely broke off. I'm waiting for people to come back in. I'm going to continue with the teaching. Can you recap which traits are you referring to, Tarek? So for this session, I'm looking at the four you see on the screen. So EuroCAD, EuroAUD, YM, and GU. Okay, while everyone is dripping back in, let me continue where I left off before the connection somehow broke down. It was weird. So I was talking about trading London and how that's a curse and a blessing. The blessing is you have more opportunities, catching highs and lows of the day and the week, which is good. More opportunities. But the curse is bigger. You are at risk of spending so many hours on the charts, which you don't need. You don't need so many hours to make money trading. Mentally draining, not necessary. You're at risk of overtrading because you execute in both sessions, potentially execute in both sessions. And you can bring back emotions from previous session. If you only have one session to trade, let's say you live in New York time zone, then you have a night's sleep between your trading sessions. And the night's sleep is an emotional reset, which is very nice to have. If you trade multiple sessions on the same day, you don't have that reset, which is also a curse. And this is not me saying don't trade 2 sessions, but the awareness of this, be aware of this and act accordingly. Awareness of potential dangers in your trading is already such an important part of profitable trading. Okay, cool. So for EuroCAD, what I'm looking at, like there's a bullish bias from this daily structure, which could potentially mean longs, but there's also a short buys here from the 4-hour Cibi, and that's what I would love to play today. So shorts from here, but only if structure allows it. So that depends on what we do here. So if you break down from here, then I'm open for shorts. Same for Euro AUD. Shorts from this yellow area towards the other yellow area. What are the yellow areas? Those are respective daily and 4-hour fair value gaps right here. YM, potential longs from the 4-hour Cibi. Why here is we are in, I think we're approaching this kind of the range. Let me see. Yes, we do. So this kind of range, you most of the time see a reaction from there. And if we don't get that here, we could get that in New York. NGU, as explained early in the stream, 4-hour Bollinger Value Gap, 1-hour Bollinger Value Gap could be a nice low of the day right here. Are there any other pairs you guys are looking at and you would like me to discuss? What is my view on gold? Gold looks nice. We see if it's still continuing the up move. I think gold is very pretty. respecting all the discount arrays. Yeah, I think higher is. I think we're just going back to all-time high later this year. What's my thought on the DEX now we've taken previous day high? Yeah, with big expansion, a trade like that is nice. We also have all-time high here. On the DEX, just like Nasdaq, I'm not too sure. Not too sure because there's not many premium arrays to work with. There's not a clear structure to work with. But yeah, you could of course try it. Like you know how to play it. If it happens, you know exactly how to play it. Well, Euro Cat looks nice for shorts here. Is not yet. Is not yet. Still not yet. So we're waiting. Like my playbook in expansion is always the same. And this is now for both the DEX, but also for Nasdaq. Just like this is something. This is a psychology thing. Just like when Bitcoin goes from what is it like 60K to 100K, here is where all of a sudden everybody wants to be involved because there was action there. Same is now with Nasdaq and with DEX. Oh no, yesterday we moved so much. We should be active here. No, the opposite. You should be waiting here for structure to form. You should be waiting here. Don't forget that what the DEX did last week. You should be waiting here, guys. And if you don't want to wait, which is fine, then keep your expectations low because you are long in deep premium and you're shorting a potential very bullish structure. So based on this, obviously I would say go to all-time high and then potential short, but I'm not gonna touch that because there's better options today. This is the example of the Skool model. Drag 1, drag 2, target the first 1 hour CB. Here we can see YM is a New York mover. See the high here? 930, 935, 945, 9. Cool, right? So with that in mind, like for London YM, lower expectations again. Got to have some patience. Exactly, Jeremy. I hope you're doing amazing. Will gold continue bullish like recently, or will it change trend? If I could give you the 100% sure answer here, I will probably not be trading and be like a multi-trillionaire. So, but to talk in probability, I probably will still be streaming because I honestly enjoy it. Well, there's no indication that we want to slow down, so yes, higher. Only way I would say we'll go lower is when we do this, like displacement lower, and then using this as a breaker to then go lower. For now, all the discount rates are respected, so higher, yes. Imagine streaming Nasdaq trading right now. That's funny. That's funny. So my eyes are going to GU for potential longs. Only thing I'm waiting for is the 5 and 15-minute SIBI here. If we ignore that one, we use it as an entry. Area, 1 hour BC, 4 hour BC. So it's a strong area to long from. And then we have the strong area to long from on the 1 and the 4 hour. And we drop to the lower time frames to see if we can get an entry confirmation there. And for me, the entry confirmation is when we ignore the SIBI here. With PPI coming up at 8:30. Jeremy, great to hear that you're still kicking. Great, great. Amazing that you just show up. I hope you will stay or still kicking it in the near future as well. So happy. So I'll probably continue looking at these pairs for the rest of the day as well. So put them on your watch list. If we now expand, probably gonna be in GU for longs, holding that, definitely holding that one, because we have some room to rebalance. Like my first actual target will be all the way up there, based on this daily structure. So that's gonna be swing position, probably an over weekend position. I think DXY is going to sell off for the rest of December, as it does every single year. You see here, December, boom, 2023, go to 2022. It was a consolidation month actually, December 2022. Right here, December sells. December here sells. In general, say it's not a bullish month, December for DXY. And the cool part is we can just wait here. We can just wait for candle closes above this fair value gap. This way you're not getting faked out. Because we can do this. If this idea is valid, we also can just go one more time. And then go. It is of course if our bias is correct. Maybe our bias is incorrect and we just sell off today. Well, then we're probably not in a long trade. Because we want that entry confirmation. All right, it's almost 3:30. Gonna finish up the stream. Are there any questions also for New York session? Any questions how to play that? Make sure you watch the market mastery course in the classroom on Skool. On Skool, it's on the practicals. And there is a 2025 mentorship coming up very, very soon. Very, very soon. And I'm also creating some shorts. I recently started with that. It's new, but it's pretty exciting. Like 1 minute mini teachings. So I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. So keep an eye out on these four. So now we are approaching Euro AUD's point of interest for shorts. Time is aligning. So potentially, if the short idea is correct, we can see a high of the day forming very soon. Oh, and don't forget, we have rates also, Euro rates today. So I'm very happily like shorting euro crosses, but we have rates coming up. So maybe that's gonna be a big filter before engaging on the euro crosses. So keep it in mind while trading before this. If this trade comes, I'm gonna take it even with the risk of rates. Potentially a little bigger stop loss, so price can fix it. And it's nice to see, right? We did not engage here because we want to see the candle close, and now we have a little reaction here. So we could go one more time. This is a classic accumulation, manipulation, distribution into a higher time frame array, which you are right now. So let that play out. And yeah, be patient today, guys. Be patient. You know what to do. And I hope you guys have fun on the charts. Like EuroCAD is starting. Very nice. CCAD will follow too. So definitely keep an eye on EuroCAD. So if I would take this as a swing, I would say take it here, where we are right now, and just go to the equal lows here. Stop loss above the value gap, so above the wick here. Swing position for 1 to 6. Pretty decent, right? 1 to 5, 1 to 6. There's something I'm very interested in. And potential you are too. That is one. And the rest will probably play out later. Like we just took the low here. So this could also be the starting point for GU. So we took this first push. If we from there have the structure shift, ooh, that is strong. That is strong. Catch each of nice to R. Incredible, Lucas. I love this. I love this. You just seeing something happening in the charts, you act on it, and you make money. Let's go. That's the best feeling in the world, Lucas. There comes a time where I don't want you to need me anymore as your mentor. And these little steps, like today, like just saying, hey, I see catch CHF, this is my model, that's what I love to see. I press the button, I wait for what's happening. It can be a loss, it can be a win. You just press the button because you see what you want to see, and you get now rewarded for it. That's amazing. Try to stack these little wins up. Great. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so this looks very nice. Like I'm going a little over time here because I think we're gonna see GU trade as well coming up right now. A Eurocat, I would recommend considering. No financial advice, but it could be a nice setup. Could be, could be. You never know. You can lose all your money. All right, guys, that's it for now. Um, so great London streams both Tuesday and Thursday, and for next week on YouTube, the Monday weekly outlook at 7:30. We have the live training at 9 a.m. on Monday. Tuesday and Thursday we have London session. So I hope you enjoyed this week. More videos and shorts coming up as well. Gonna explode YouTube channel very soon. If you enjoyed, it would be amazing if you can press a like on the stream. And yeah, see you guys later. Have an amazing trading day. And be careful with interest rates on Euro and with PPI. You know how to